Welcome to the video on how to make a counseling appointment. From the orangecoastcollege.edu homepage, hover over Student Services located in the top toolbar. In the middle column, under Resources, click on Counseling Center. On the left-hand side navigation, click on Make an Appointment. There are 3 ways for you to make a counseling appointment, indicated in the Make an Appointment box on the right-hand side of the page. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the first option, using the online system. Be sure to read through the page as there is important information for program-specific counseling as well as cancellation policies. Scroll to the bottom of the page. If you select the New Student or Returning Student sections, they will prompt you to apply. If you have already applied and completed your online orientation, click on Current Student. Counseling appointments become available on Thursdays at 8 a.m. for the following week. Click on Make an Appointment. Enter your student ID number with a capital C and your date of birth in the 8-digit format as indicated on the screen. Note, students with transcripts from other institutions should read the yellow box before proceeding. Click Continue. Then click Make an Appointment. To see as many appointments that are available, leave the settings as is and click Find Appointments. From here, you can view all available appointments. Click on the asterisk button for the date and time that works best for you. From here, select the reason that you would like to meet with a counselor. For our purposes, we are going to click Abbreviated Student Education Plan, then click Continue. You have now booked your appointment. Make sure to check in with the Front Desk Counseling Center 15 minutes before your appointment.